Nylon, a thermoplastic, is one of the most important synthetic polymers. About 4 million tonnes per year is produced worldwide. Much of the nylon is made into fibres for ropes, clothing, tent and camping materials, and for reinforcing tyres. The DuPont plant at Wilton on Teesside makes about 300,000 tonnes of nylon each year. Wilton is close to a port. Ammonia is brought in from ICI's site at nearby Billingham, and natural gas comes from the North Sea. Nylon is made from two monomers. Adipic acid, more properly called hexane dioic acid, has a chain of 6 carbon atoms. Just concentrate on the ends of the chain. Hexamethylene diamine, more properly called 1,6-diaminohexane, also has a chain of 6 carbon atoms. Again, just concentrate on the ends of the chain. When the two monomers react together, a molecule of water is produced as each link is formed. These two monomers continue to link together to form long chains called nylon. The raw materials used to make the two monomers are cyclohexane and adiponitrile. These are both derived from crude oil. Cyclohexane is oxidized, first by air and then by nitric acid, to give adipic acid. Adiponitrile is hydrogenated to give hexamethylene diamine. The two monomers first react to form a salt. Heating the salt to drive out water produces nylon. At the DuPont plant, cyclohexane arrives by pipeline from the port and is stored here. It is first oxidized here and then further oxidized with nitric acid made in this plant. The product is adipic acid. The hydrogenation of the adiponitrile to produce hexamethylene diamine takes place here, and the two monomers are mixed in this building. Polymerization is carried out in this plant, and nylon stored for delivery to customers. Cyclohexane is imported to Teesside by ship. A 5-kilometre long pipeline transfers the cyclohexane to the DuPont site. Cyclohexane arrives at the plant here and is stored. Ammonia is supplied by pipeline from ICI nearby and is reacted with air to form nitric acid. Cyclohexane is oxidized to form adipic acid in 2 stages, first with air and then nitric acid. This is what happens in these reactions. Adipic acid, one of the two monomers, is a white powder. Adiponitrile is also imported by sea. Methane from the North Sea is used on site to make hydrogen. Adiponitrile is reacted with hydrogen to give hexamethylene diamine, the second of the two monomers. The two monomers are mixed together and react to give nylon salt. This and all other processes are monitored and controlled remotely. Nylon is produced from nylon salt by driving out the water. These are the tops of the autoclaves in which the salt, at a pressure of 18 atmospheres, is heated to a temperature of 280 degrees Celsius. At this stage, additives and pigments are added and the conditions can be changed to produce polymers with different properties. When the white nylon is produced, it is molten. It's forced through the holes to form laces of nylon. The laces are cooled in water and chopped into short lengths about 3 to 4 millimeters long, called granules. Nylon leaves the Wilton site in lorries as granules. The granules, which are thermoplastic, will be remelted and moulded or forced through fine holes to make nylon fibres.